That video was bad.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Not too long ago, somebody commented on one of my videos saying, I'm surprised how many dislikes this video has in compared to likes. So I took a look at the video. There were 19 likes and there were 21 dislikes. Wow, that's a lot of thumbs downs. So I took the video down and deleted it. I ended up re-editing it with the techniques that I've learned thus far, and I got a 15-minute video down to 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. That video was bad. I am so sorry to anybody who sat through that 15 minutes. You're not gonna get that 15 minutes in life back. That's wild. I'll give you the cliff notes. So here's the 3 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm going to talk to you about Asplenium nittis today, which is also called the crispy wave fern, but people also like to call it bird's nest fern because it looks like a cute little bird's nest in there. My issue today is that it actually smells like caca, but we're gonna get into that in just a second. So here you'll see it needs to be watered. So there are a few ways to determine whether your crispy wave fern needs to be watered. The first is the leaves are just going to look a little bit dull. It's also going to sag, as you can see here. And then the third way to tell is if the soil starts to separate from the side of the pot. When I started to water it, I noticed a smell that was coming out of the soil, and that's not normal. It smelled like stagnant water. That's just a clear indication that something's wrong. I took it out of its pot, and one, I don't see any healthy roots. See how she's all soggy, mossy looking? It's not a nice root structure. Let's just get into it, folks. Just going to massage these roots. It really smells like shiza. I feel like it's very dense root ball, and I don't want to cause too much damage to the root system here. I removed quite a bit of soil. What we are left with is this. It's a very fibrous root system. Not as tuberous as I would have expected for an epiphytic plant, but that's okay. Alright guys, and that's it. So now I'm just going to give this a good thorough watering. So what I'm going to see in a few days is this plant start to gloss up, green up, perk up, and it's going to be much happier in its new home. Another thing I like to keep note when it comes to watering and what my plant's needs are is making sure you understand how much your plant weighs. I took note of how heavy this pot was when everything was dry. It was just the terracotta pot, the soil, and the plant, because that's going to be the driest point. So I'm going to water this plant. I already have runoff. It's sitting in a little bit of water. I'm gonna let that sit there for about 30 minutes. If it takes in some water, that's awesome. If not, I'm gonna toss the rest. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much all you gotta do. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Super cute plant. I really like this plant when it's happy. I like it when it's healthy. It has been, ooh, how long has it been? All right, so I uploaded that in August 2019, so that was only 7 months ago. And the plant has been doing quite well. I've put it in my bathroom. I had it originally in a north-facing window. Now, what's interesting about my north-facing window is that I have my neighbor's house very close to mine, and that whole side of the house is white siding. So the southern sun hits that and bounces back into my house, so my northern light is a little bit more intense. What ended up happening was my leaves got a little bit burnt, so I pulled it back from that window and it's doing much better now. Here it is. My crispy wave fern, as you can see, it has some new fronds that are growing in the middle. It's very happy. I'm quite happy with how it looks, aside from those crispy tips. And I like this plant so much that I went out and bought another one. So I have 2 crispy wave ferns. I have specific plans for this one, and I just want to let you know right now is the perfect time to water this plant. The center is still upright and stiff, but these outer leaves are starting to go a little bit floppy, and they're a bit more malleable than the other leaves. So that's the perfect time to water this plant. On top of that, I can also feel that it is quite light, so I feel like it's not retaining any water at all. So that is the gist of that, and this is just hanging out in this room here, which has large windows that are exposed to the eastern light. And with the winter, with the snow on the ground, it just amplifies that light. So my plants are actually quite happy right now. Anyway, so guys, that's that with the crispy wave fern. And I just truly want to thank all of you guys who've stuck around from the beginning, have watched me grow along with my plants. Well, this one's new, so. And for anybody new, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. That's my son in the background. So I noticed that I got up to a whopping 70 subscribers now, and I'm so excited about this because it's organic. You guys are choosing to be here, and that just fills my heart. So this is just a little teaser. When we get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a little giveaway. Not gonna tell you about it just yet, but stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be coming up very, very soon. You guys are gonna be super happy about it. I'm not gonna be making a big deal about it because I'm not looking to attract new people with this giveaway. I'm looking to thank you guys. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this new rendition of my crispy wave fern repotting and update, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and love, bye. I have no back support. My coffee is all the way over there and I have a camel toast. What? No. It was not this difficult the first time. Oh. 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 Yes. Yes, that is how you do it.